If budgeting feels overwhelming, restrictive, or flat out boring, you're doing it wrong. Because good budgeting isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to what matters. This simple system doesn't just work, it actually feels good. It's called the 3-bucket budget, and it completely changed the way I manage money. No spreadsheets, no guilt, just clarity, freedom, and progress. Let me show you how it works, and why it literally fits anyone, whether you're broke, ballin', or somewhere in between. Let's be honest, most people hate budgeting because it feels like punishment, or it's so rigid you fall off in 2 weeks and feel worse than when you started. Or worse, you try a complicated app with 40 categories and you're like, wait, where do dog treats go again? Here's the truth. Budgets don't fail. Systems do. The 3-bucket budget fixes all of that. It's simple, flexible, and rooted in how real people actually live. And the best part? You can set this up in under 30 minutes. There are just 3 buckets, that's it. Think of your money like water. If you don't direct the flow, it spills everywhere. So here's the plan. Bucket 1, needs, aka survive. Bucket 2, wants, aka live. Bucket 3, growth, aka thrive. It's not magic, but it feels like it once you get going. This is the most important bucket. It keeps your life afloat. Rent or mortgage, groceries, car payment or public transit, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. If it keeps you alive, safe, or employed, it belongs here. For most people, this bucket should eat up about 50 to 60% of your income. If it's more than that, you're probably feeling the squeeze. Paycheck to paycheck, never breathing room. This is your baseline, your non-negotiables. Start by tracking this bucket first, because this is where financial stress usually starts. Now we talk about what makes life worth living. This bucket's about joy. Netflix, Spotify, or Hulu, DoorDash on a Friday night, gym memberships, new clothes, weekend trips, random Amazon treat-yourself moments. Look, this is the bucket that most budgets try to kill. But that's dumb. Spending money on fun isn't wrong. The only problem is when you don't cap it. So here's the magic. Give yourself 20 to 30% of your income here, guilt-free. You'll be shocked how freeing it feels to spend without wondering if it's a mistake. Want to stop impulse buying? Set this bucket as your limit. Want more lifestyle money? Earn more or lower your needs bucket. It's that simple. And now the bucket that builds your future. Emergency fund, Roth IRA, or 401k. Investing apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, courses or certifications, business tools. A side hustle you're building. This is the Thrive bucket, and most people ignore it. But here's the key. Even if you only start with $20 a month, you're building the habit. And habits beat windfalls every time. Think of this as your freedom fund. The more this bucket grows, the more options you get. Less stress, more leverage, more peace of mind. Now here's where it clicks. Automation. You don't want to manually move money every week. You want to set it and forget it. Here's how. 1 main account for your income. 3 sub-accounts or buckets. Automatically transfer money as soon as you get paid. Or use apps like Cube Money, YNAB, or even simple spreadsheets with auto-pay tools. Just don't leave it all in one pile. Because if all your money's in one pot, your brain treats it like it's all available. And that's how overspending happens. Your system should do the heavy lifting for you. You just check in once a month and tweak as needed. Here's the bottom line. Money loves structure. When you give every dollar a job, your money works harder than you do. The 3-bucket budget works because it's not restrictive. It's realistic. It honors your needs, supports your joy, and invests in your growth. Try this system for just 1 month. I dare you. Drop it in the comments if you're ready to try it. And if you want more real-life money tips without the BS, hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning of your financial freedom.